Hi, and welcome to the brief summary of the Animal Behavior Society's Children's Book Award for books published in the year 2020. This year we had 34 submissions from publishers. These books were all evaluated by 5 judges who scored each book. We then took the 5 books with the highest average scores and designated these as finalists. We'll give you a brief summary of each finalist in alphabetical order. The first finalist is Honeybee, The Busy Life of Apis mellifera by Candace Fleming and Eric Roman. Honeybee walks the reader through the adult life of an individual worker bee, from her emergence through all the worker jobs in the hive to foraging and eventually death. At each transition point, the bee gets closer and closer to flying from the nest to collect pollen and nectar, but first must tend the queen, build the comb, nurse the young, and guard the colony. This beautifully illustrated book highlights many interesting aspects of bee behavior, including the waggle dance, language, and cooperative behavior. It's more than just a collection of facts, but it's a narrative that highlights bee biology in a way that really tells a story and weaves in small amounts of bee drama. The second finalist is If You Take Away the Otter by Susanna Berman Deaver, illustrated by Matthew Truman. Who is the king of the forest? Maybe the hungry grizzly bear or the regal elk? In If You Take Away the Otter, readers are enveloped in the watery realm of kelp forests ruled by sea otters. Among the inhabitants of this unique forest, including fish, clams, shrimp, starfish, and sea urchins, the hunger of furry otters ensures the well-being of an entire ecosystem. In times and places where otters are driven to extinction by humans, an army of sea urchins fill their stomachs with kelp, and the shady forests and their denizens disappear. In a story full of hope and with the help of translucent illustrations, this book shows how protecting a few hungry otters can save a kingdom. The third finalist is Moms, Dads, and Lily Pads by Carla Moeller, illustrated by Sabine de Vice. This charming and timely children's book explores the many different family types found not only in humans but across animal species. Its effortless rhyming prose and beautiful illustrations celebrate the diversity found among families of all species throughout the animal kingdom. Its many family rhymes illustrate that love within the family is most important. It closes with additional details on the species it presents, giving kids an insight into the vast array of family types in the animal kingdom. The next finalist is Running Wild, Awesome Animals in Motion by Galadriel Watson, illustrated by Samantha Dixon. This book highlights the wide variety of ways animals move, focusing on both form and function. The book covers movements kids would expect, like running, flying, and swimming, but also details less obvious movements like climbing, crawling, swinging, and undulating. The balance of illustrations and easy-to-understand text is one that kids are sure to love. The final finalist is The Turtle Dove's Journey, A Story of Migration by Madeline Dunphy and illustrated by Marlo Garnsworthy. The Turtle Dove's Journey is for every child who said, "Why did the birds go away in the winter and where did they go?" It focuses on the journey of a single bird tracked from Sussex to Mali with stopovers in between. The pictures link up to what the places might be like and includes a map that traces the places the birds stay. The story enlarges children's worldview, starting with their backyard and reaching out across the globe. It also touches on why birds would make such a journey. Teachers could also easily reach out to the Cornell Lab of Ornithology's website to hear about citizen science with maps, projects, and information to find out how they can track the migration of birds across North America. Finally, we did also have one honorable mention that will not be included in the list of finalists given to kids to select a winner. It's called The Eagle Mother by Hetchquim Getch, also known as Brett Hewson, illustrated by Natasha Donovan. Students will be given each of these finalists in early fall to evaluate and vote, and will announce the winner by late fall. Thanks very much to the entire Children's Book Award Committee. And we hope that you'll check out each of these wonderful books.